Ngenyisa caba. Ngiyayiphinda. Hey! Hey! Ah man. Kajiswa nini mna ne? Ayithilonde xa ngajoli thatha advantage. Awuthatha advantage apha. Yes. Cabukela babenza la nto. Thatha advantage. Othina ungafi. Sothina ungafi. Konzozana.
That's gonna be good night. That's gonna be good night today.
Umntana Jabula athi no, my boyfriend doesn't smoke, doesn't drink. He's a womanizer. If he's not a womanizer, he's abusive. Ziyashaya. Yabo sihlala sila endlini yabo. Ya checka nezinto nama pieces mawashoda. Bekunenyama eziyi7.
Yebo.
Yebo.
Ubani uthe usothi utheni kanti?
Uthe umaduna so umaduna.
Hayi mathuri indawo maduna.
Sorry man.
Baba. Umeqiniso phela wena.
Iqiniso kiri.
Kwena bang.
Kini namaduna. Maduna sibongo. Maduna sibongo.
Umhlobo wami.
Hayi thina simbasizulu time madam. Ngada. Semini buye nathali.
Wena onyela wena phika ke roba kopo.
Emazulu.
Ibuye nathali family time madam.
Wena.
Sengisho ngomkhulu nje yabona time madam. Mina spread.
Umkhulu sibuza ngawo.
Biswa kahle time madam.
Umhlobani wena?
Ngithela ngamathi.
Umhlobani?
Time sibezulu.
Sibezulu.
Ngumzulu mina time.
Wena
Count the 1 up to 10 nesiZulu. Count.
1 2 3 4 5.
English into wena go Python.
NesiZulu.
Hayi English angiyazi futhi.
Count
Lewu
nesiZulu.
wani English. Counta ngesiZulu.
NesiZulu umZulu angithi wena. Count ke.
Kodwa ke sengiyangani njengoba vele nakhona sikhulele khona la ilokushini.
Yana ukhulela la ilokushini
Count
welwazi.
noma ukhulela count.
Ngizokha.
Kunye, kubeka.
Mune, number 2, number number 2, number 3, number 4.
Yeah, what? Number 4.
Or ngibone ngithi 1 2 3 4.
The English there.
Kuna ngesiZulu.
Kunye.
Nila straight.
Uthi uyabeka umbono kuthiwa beside that.
Awunamali xa ungasipaniyo kutshiwo kuthiwa besides that.
Ayezake ndayiboni izithagethe nje. Oy. Ikusema nene. Manene. Should I cross or what? Diwelo kanye nizawela. Hela diwelo kanye bazawela bantu. Chega ropa ezibda. Oy, asita. Melana. Say cheese. Yeah, say cheese because now Roger won't say 1, 5, 3. Cheese. Sag. Kumpani phone ke masita, kumpani phone.
This place looks familiar, man. Akho segqeberha apha. Funa uvutheliswa le xa ifika esipani. So much happiness.
If wena you only look good when you do a fresh cut, then you are ugly. I mean, I've made peace with that. I know myself that I'm ugly, so
Thank you, boss. As haircut, nezi fade. The makeup for amajita le. Haircut, the makeup.
ukushaya ndlama. Kushaya.
What do you mean by that?
Yile. Oh hayi. Yile ucamani yile.
Ngazi phela iningi izinto ey'shawayo.
Okay, musha lokhu siwushaya.
Ey, angazi bayibiza ngani lento le. Kodwa nje like ya. Kodwa uyayazi ngithi.
Angiyazi understand.
Uyayazi mfethu.
Ongcenini ukushaya ukaze uphendule umbuzo wrong wakhe.
Hayi ukushaya umuntu angazi ngishaya umuntu.
Ushaya isekeni. Shani.
Hayi esekeni izolo bhuti.
Inja mfethu.
Hawu si nginja. Akuyona into kanjalo bhuti.
GBV.
Hayi lutho.
Alright, word of the day.
Ngingathi bafethu empilweni kumele sibekezele, kumele sifunde ukubekezela noma kunzima siphushe siphambili. Hayi phila impilo yakhe bo wena, ungashintshwa abantu. Danko.
Hayi ke mntasi. Ndiyavuya xa ndikwakho. Ndiyonwaba. Mntasi.
Hayi mntasetsha. Hayi kongxaki mntasekhaya itya.
Yabona mntase, apha kwakho kumandi. Apha kwakho kumandi. Zawuzokokoko apha kwakho.
Hayi makube mnandi mntasekhaya.
Ewe mntasi.
Akho ngxaki.
Kumandi kwakho mntasi. Ndiyonwaba. Kumandi kwakho.
Hayi mntasi uzawuphinda uqaba?
Mntasi hayi izawuqaba. Iyaqaba mntasi. Kaloku mntasi kumandi kwakho.
Mntasi.
Uzohlala iveki.
Engaka mntasi?
Uzohlala iveki apha kwakho mntasi. Uzohlala iveki.
Izathi phela lo veki iphelile nerama.
I just got a follower, guys. Please make sure that you follow me. You wanna see yourself? Hawe mama mina ngeke ngisakwazi nje ukuhlala emakhaya. Yo ngihlalela eThekwini mina mfethu. Ngihlala eThekwini mina. eThekwini nje we ngeke ngisalunga. Yaliboya iTheku. Yaliboya iTheku. Lisinjani? Lona iTheku lelo.
Angisho babambe bamsusa kwi-metro rail ngoba bathi ama-train wakhe akawa-upgrade. Ubabambe wathi pras ngiyakutshela wathi pras bamnikeza amabhiliyoni bamfakela amabhiliyoni mina wathi make ngifakela ibhiliyoni bayifrisa hayi ngiyakutshela ngiyotsho mina wayekela vele ngiyakutshela ngathi angifakelile ibhiliyoni.
La sis in red isephosa ne-stop sign sakhe.
You see the way he dress, you going to the club with her. That's why you love dancing. You love to dancing. You love to dance too much. You love to dance too much. You must stay home.
No,
stay home.
Which home?
Yeah, with me.
I'll never stay home. I won't stay home. If I need to do my things, I need to do my things. I'm not gonna stay home for nobody's child. Sorry, nobody's child. No, Booty, your time is finished. Like I've been crying, I've been complaining. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm tired.
You wanna tell him that you wanna leave him now?
No, I don't care anymore. I'm tired of always a booty, I'm tired of that. I'm not gonna do that again. You know what? If you feel like you need to move on, you do that. I'm fine now.
What
okay.
You mean to me? You are looking for freedom. You are looking for freedom. I'm not giving you a freedom.
This is my freedom.
I'm not giving you a freedom.
For it.
Is this a freedom? This of a young guy?
Yes.
Is this a freedom?
At least he's doing them things. He's wakey. You are sleeping. Nobody can sleep in this time of day. Hello. Wake up. Wake up. I'm not going to take your shit anymore.
Hey. I don't know. For now, this one, she's giving me too much stress. Too much stress. But you must still speak to her about.
Yo. How do you communicate? Damn. The relationship is not make sure, but no ways. Hey. I hope you enjoyed today's video, Bafethu. And if you want more similar content, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Sure.